I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable futures trading on the Kraken app, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Open the Kraken app. Launch the Kraken app on your device and log into your account. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon on menu to access your account settings. This is where you can manage your trading options. Step 3. Enable futures trading. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Complete verification. If prompted, follow the instructions to complete any necessary identity verification. This may include uploading documents or providing additional information. Step 5. Start trading futures. Once futures trading is enabled, navigate back to the main trading screen. You should now see options for futures trading. Select your desired contract and start trading. I hope this helped you get started with futures trading on Kraken. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Happy trading!